Are you an extrovert and you want to learn the kind of businesses that would be best for extroverts? Stay tuned to this video. Let's get those credits rolling. Extroverts, as a general rule, love being around people, and the businesses that you get into should be geared around just being around people. And extroverts are usually the life of the party. So, here are some business ideas if you, as an extrovert, actually want to get into business. Business number one is life coach, or a business coach, or a career coach. And this is a business that is usually better for people who are a little older in age, because as a coach you need to also get the respect of the people that you're actually working with. So the work of a coach is actually coming in and helping the client to discover the things that they are really good at, to discover who they really are, and to also start blossoming in that direction. If you have been a seasoned business person, then you can also become a mentor or a coach for people who are starting their businesses. This is a good business, especially if you love working with young people, because they can come to you with their ideas and you can help them to actually mold those ideas to start making money. So as a business coach, this is what you would do. You can actually have different kind of business models. One is where someone pays you for consultancy, so they sit down with them and then you work out through their business idea, and then you can be able to get them in a sense in a direction where they want to go. The other thing that you can be doing is actually walking the journey with them. You can have a program for young entrepreneurs who actually want to get started in business, so you help them set up their structures, take care of all the things that they are not sure about. So even as they start their business, you will help them to set up all these things. And then as they keep on growing, you will keep on helping them in the places where they get stuck, and you continuously help them to tweak their business. If you have a good sense of humor, then you can actually try comedy. In fact, so many comedians have become YouTubers in this country, and they are actually doing well. In fact, a few weeks ago, one of the biggest comedians in the country actually got to 1 million subscribers. And this is something that you can be able to do, especially if you are really good and you are really witty, you have a way with words, and you can be able to pick out funny situations even from serious ones. And if you have that, then at this time, and if you have that gift in this time, then you do not have to go the normal route where you need a godfather in order for you to actually succeed. What you can actually do is start a channel and upload the skits that you're doing, and as you go on, then you will start getting different places where you will be invited to, and that way you will continue growing. The next business that you can get into and work really well is in acting. If you're an extrovert, then that means that probably you know how to blend into any situation, and being an actor is among the best ways that you can use to actually make money, because you, as an extrovert, you naturally have a way where you're confident in any situation. So acting would be one of the biggest things that you can get into. So either you start your own channel where you do your own skits, where you act your own plays, where you've written your own material, or you look for production, an offline production, and act in a series. In this way, you can even start as an extra. You can even start just small, an appearance here and there. And then as time goes, as you continue to build your acting muscle, then you will start getting regular jobs. You will start even growing in the industry and be called to star in movies, in films. Don't refuse any job as long as it agrees with your personal values. Take the jobs no matter how small they seem, because you never know who you'll be connected with on set for the next project that could be the one that actually gets you internationally recognized. So acting is another way that you can actually be able to start as a business if you're an extrovert. Are you a dancer as well as an extrovert? Then you can actually begin aerobics classes in your neighborhood or Zumba classes in your neighborhood. and you advertise to your friends and your neighbors so that they come in, and when they come in, they pay a small fee just to be taught and actually exercise when they're near you. So that is a business that you can get into. The goodness with this is that people are having fun. At the same time, they may be learning how to dance, they're interacting with each other. It's a way for people to relax. So Zumba, if you're a dancer, then that's the business that you can get into. Are there any other types of businesses that you think extroverts can start? Then share them in the comments below. Like this video if it has brought value to you. Subscribe to the channel. We are aiming to get to at least 10,000 subscribers before the end of 2019, and we need you to actually subscribe to the channel. As always, innovate, create, grow. See you in the next one.